Hey guys, I'm Saion Gupta and I'm 11 years old. I'm the founder of 10xcoderkids.com, and if you like this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And today we are gonna unbox this camera module for our Raspberry Pi. So today we are gonna unbox this camera module for our Raspberry Pi, and this is gonna be so cool. So without any delay, let's get started. Damn! Okay, so now let's start unboxing this, right? So I'll just move this away and this. Okay, as you can see, let's just snip and snap this, right? So see an opening. Okay, so we'll need the scissors right now. Okay, cut open the plastic. Some details about this product. We don't need that. We already know that this is a camera module. Okay, so this is our camera module over here. Just let's confirm it is sealed from everywhere. There's no tapings or anything. It is like just a closed box, right? So there's no taping or nothing. And something is torn over here, so that's okay. And yeah, so there's no taping anywhere. And yep. Oh, there is taping. What am I doing? This is taping. Okay, so this is taping over here. And let's just snap it in half. Okay, so this is a tight one. From next time I'm gonna keep a knife with me for these tapes, because right now, oh, hey little guy, snaps open. Now tear this open. Okay, that's good. Taping is off. And another freaking box. Everything else empty. Another freaking box. Okay, plastic, not. This is a cardboard box, not plastic. And no tapings, just a normal box. So we have a sealed pack over here. Okay, not sealed, it is opened, I think so, from here. This is our camera module, guys. Yep, so it is opened from here. This is our camera module. And okay, so be very gentle with this. And you can see over here we have a board, and over here this is our camera, right? And there is some kind of tape on it so that it does not get dirty, right? So that will be asthma, but I'm not doing that right now. The back looks quite sick, and this is a very wobbly thingy, right? And I don't know much about it. I'm gonna learn about it, but this was our camera module. So much of packaging. This thing, first there was this, then there was this, then there was this, and finally then there was this, and inside this there was a beautiful camera module, and over here it is written for Raspberry Pi camera. Okay, revision 1, it is writing Rev 1.3. Then it is showing something like R6 to R7. I don't know. Okay, so yep, this was a camera module. Now our Raspberry Pi will able to see our faces and everything. It will be able to click our photos using the camera module. Thank you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Bye.